Did you know the first alarm clock could only ring at 4 a.m.? That's right! Invented in the 1780s by Levi Hutchins, it was designed to wake him up for work. Imagine that, only one time to choose from. It's almost like it was saying, rise and shine, but only if you're ready to be productive. This limitation reflects a fascinating truth about humanity. We often prioritize work over rest. It's as if we've been conditioned to believe that our value lies in our productivity. So, while we've come a long way with alarm clocks that can wake us at any hour, the underlying message remains. There's always a push to get up and get going, even if it means sacrificing a little sleep.